your stories. Good morning, Tampa Bay. Let's get our day started. You're watching Tampa Bay 28 News.
Yesterday morning, I told you about two new affordable housing developments opening in Tampa and Clearwater. For years, as part of our Price of Paradise series, we've heard from you about your struggles to find an affordable place to live right here in the Tampa Bay area. Well, history is now being made in East Tampa. That's where I got a look at a first-of-its-kind affordable housing project now under construction. It's using cutting-edge 3D printing technology to help tackle one of Florida's biggest challenges. On a quiet street at East Tampa, something new is taking shape. Not with hammers, not with nails, but with a printer.
Everything is the same as far as traditional construction, other than instead of putting up block, we're printing the actual exterior walls.
The steady hum of a robotic arm building a home layer by layer.
There's a bathroom here, another bathroom. The living room area is here, and this is the primary bedroom.
So a three-bedroom home?
Yeah, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, garage.
This home on Loreline Circle is rising where another once stood. A property that burned down, now being built in a new way.
We bought the lot and decided that we would 3D print the home that we were putting back to replace it.
The 3D build is a first in Hillsborough County and is part of a bigger project led by the Corporation to Develop Communities of Tampa, aimed at bringing affordable homes to the area. 18 of them being built just a few blocks away on Knoll Pine Way. 4 of them using 3D printing technology. Concrete is printed layer by layer using a digital blueprint, forming walls designed to be stronger and more efficient.
This home will provide a family a beautiful, affordable place to live where they're not going to have to worry about the rising costs because they'll be in home ownership, stabilizing their housing costs. It'll also be more energy efficient, so they don't have to worry about the TICO bills.
Developers say in addition to bringing costs down, the building method is also ensuring that the homes can better withstand Florida's toughest conditions.
Will this also make it a little quicker to turn our homes around?
It will, because we have the ability to print in the warehouse. So we could do this as modular. This one, we're doing everything on site. But before we even get a permit, we can be in a warehouse and we can have half the walls already printed for each home.
This work comes at a time when affordable housing is harder to find than ever.
I love Tampa. It's a great place to live. We have so much going for us, but what we do not have going for us is affordable housing.
In Hillsborough County alone, thousands of affordable units are still needed as rising costs push families further from the communities they work in.
If your employees can't find an affordable place to live, they're not going to be your employees much longer. We're seeing restaurants closing, we're seeing businesses closing. Why? Because the workforce isn't here, it's moving out of the area.
That's why Hillsborough County leaders are backing projects like this, donating land and millions in funding to make it possible. Building more than just homes, but a stable framework for the families who will soon live here. Now, this development is just one piece of a larger pipeline of more than 150 affordable housing units planned across the Tampa Bay area. Another project in Seffner aimed at housing disabled veterans in the area. If you need housing assistance, the CDC of Tampa can help. I've posted their nonprofit's phone number on the article on this website. You can find that at tampabay28.com.
That was really cool. Yeah.